Hi, welcome. So, in this challenge, we'll title case a sentence. So, this is the code we are going to write. Mm, Take a look if you can understand. Let me explain first. So, first step is we'll split this string into individual words, okay, by spaces. So, we are splitting this whole sentence into word. So this is the array of words. Now we are initializing the final array. This array will contain the words uh, which first word is title case. Okay, so now we are looping through the individual word in this array, individual word. So, and what we are doing is we are grabbing the first word, so each word, and we are converting first that word into lowercase. Every sentence, every word in this, every letter in this word, in the word, we are converting that into lowercase. And what we are doing is, after converting that into lowercase, we are splitting that into the array of each letter. Okay, so we are splitting that into that word into array of letter. So this is the letter word array. So this L word array contains the letter of words. So for example, this is the word little. So L word array will contains L comma I comma T array of these words. So after this, uh, we are grabbing the first letter of the word. So for example, this is the word little, and we are grabbing the first letter L. So what shift does is shift just grabs the first letter or removes the first letter from the array L word array, and we are removing the first word from the L word array, and we are converting that into uppercase. So that is what we require. Okay, so we have to convert the first word into uppercase. So we are doing grabbing the first word using the shift method, and we are converting that into uppercase using to uppercase method. So this is the first letter, so we are assigning that letter into first letter variable. So this is the uppercase variable. Next we are doing is we are calling the unshift method in this L word array. Remember, this is the array of letters, so we are calling the unshift method, and where unshift means we are adding the uh, element to the first place in the array in which we are calling this method. Okay, so we are adding this first letter to the uh, first of this array. So that means we are replacing, so first we are removing the letter L, and we are adding, converting that L into uppercase, and we are again now unshifting that into word. Okay, so now this L word array contains the word which first letter is capital and all other letter is small letter. You can test this by returning here. Okay, return. So what, so return will execute up to here, not down here. Okay, so if we run that, oh, I think something is wrong. So I think this is, yeah, I'm not sure what this thing is doing. Where the heck is 3? Oh, I think this is returning the length, so don't worry about that. Oh, sorry. So we are replacing the L word array with the, so we can do it like this also, L word array. Yeah, so this array contains the first letter capital and all other letter small letter. Okay, so now we know that L word array contains the array in which first letter is capital. So after that, what we are doing is we are joining this array into one complete word, array of these letter into one word. So TC word means title cased word. So we are joining this array into, so this is the array, we are joining that into a sentence. So for example, we can change the first, and this is the first letter, we can change that into, in order to test, okay, we can this into pop. Okay, so let's check what this title case. Return TC word. Yeah, capital letter, first letter is capital. Okay, so we are going right. So after we combine that word into this that array into the single word, title case word, next what we are doing is we are pushing that into this final array. So the final array is the array of words where each word is title cased word. So we are pushing that into final array. So now we are done with the loop. We are looping through each word and we are pushing the each title case word into this array. So now we are done with the loop, and what we are doing is we are now joining the final array into single. So we can check that by returning final array. So we can comment that. Okay, so final array contains the word where first letter is title cased. Okay, so we are required to return the string, but this is the array. Okay, so we need to convert that array into string. So we can do that by joining. Okay, joining by the spaces. So joining, so let's so final string equals to final array dot join. So join by spaces. So return final string. Okay, this is done. So you can also do like this. Okay, this is single, this achieves that into single line. Okay, this sentence. So both of this is right. Okay, so that's all for now. Bye.